Hello, this is for 8th grade, Tuesday, November 17th. So we're here, cycle 9. This will look a little bit different because this video will be here, and it's not here now because I'm making it. So what I'd like you to do is you go to pie charts. It's going to ask you to create a copy of the spreadsheet. Make a copy. It may take a few minutes. So here is a spreadsheet very similar to what we have been working on the last couple of weeks. So we have Pete's Pies. These are all a number of pies that they made per month. So we want to find the total of pies. We're going to use Autosum, which is this function up here. We click on sum. It puts the formula in, equals sum, open parenthesis, and all we have to do is select the correct cells. I can do that again. Autosum. Select the correct cells. Now, another thing I can do is I can just copy the formula because I already have it in there once. I click on the cell that has the formula. I go to the lower right-hand corner, see how my cursor changes, and I just drag this down. So we can see the number of cells the number of pies we've sold. Now let's do monthly totals. So instead of how many apple pies do we sell in the first 6 months, how many pies total did we sell in January? Again, I'm going to go to Autosum. Click here. I'm going to select cells in column B with numbers. Press return. I'm going to click on that cell, go to the lower right-hand corner, click and drag. That gives me all of my answers. Monthly average is very similar, except we use average instead of sum. So I go up here, average, select the correct cells, press return, click on cell B11, go to the lower right-hand corner, click and drag. We do not go down to column H because that is not a month. For our grand total, we click in cell B13. We go up here to Autosum, and we select all the numbers in the H column. Press return. We're going to do some formatting now. First thing we want to do is select all the columns from B to H and make them center align. Now we're going to click number 3, and we're going to press B for bold. Finally, we're going to select row 11 by clicking right here. That selects the whole row. Then we look for this 0.0 with the arrow pointing to the left. We click here and we get rid of the decimal places. Finally, this is the new part, is we're going to create a pie chart. To create a pie chart, we need to select the names of the pie and the numbers associated. In this case, they're not right next to each other, these columns. So we need to use our control key. I'll show you where. So I select the 4 cells here. Now I hold my control key down. It allows me to select these 4 cells. On our toolbar, we see Insert Chart icon. We click on this. There may be a little bit of a lag. So mine popped up pretty quick. It doesn't always happen. By default, sometimes it does not give you the right chart. This gave me a column chart. I want a pie chart. So I just go in here. I can look through for the different types of charts. There's a pie chart. And there you have it. Now let's say I want my color a little bit different. So I want my apples to be red. I click on the blue piece of pie. Over here, I change it to red. Okay, now I then would probably want to change peach, so it's a much different color. And you end up having to change everything because we end up getting our colors a little too close together, but you can see what you can do here. Now, the one thing that's a problem is my pie chart is covering my numbers, so I do want to move that down. Okay, so this is your first example. Work on this. When you're finished, we're going to go back here, work on pie chart practice, and then Sam's Sailboats. Sam's Sailboats is the only one you're turning in. These 2 just stay in your Google Drive. Thank you. Good luck.